Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Air Max 95 Big Bubble in the Court Purple versus the Golden Beige Camo pack. These were released on the 19th of September 2025 for the retail price of £185 here in the UK. Both pairs come in the regular red and white Nike box. The shoes come wrapped in white paper with no accessories. I would have loved a special camo box, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. 2025 celebrates the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 95, and just in time for autumn-winter, Nike released an all-leather black camo pack, one featuring cool purple overlays on its mid-panel, eyelets, tongue, insoles and outsole, and internal air bubble units. Golden beige camo can be seen on the other pair, with orange hits on the similar parts of the other shoe. Both trainers feature a good amount of reflective silver 3M hits on the tongue, eyelets, and heel for that extra bit of pop. I must admit that the quality control on these wasn't great. I noticed a lot of stitching and glue errors compared to the previous Air Max 95 anniversary Big Bubble pairs. On feet, I usually recommend staying true to size, but the stiff leather upper makes me want to recommend going up half a size on this Air Max 95, especially if you have wider feet. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment Camo to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up, and which one do you prefer? I prefer the Court Purple, but I'll be honest, I didn't pick up either of these due to the quality issues and a very tight bank account. But I really wanted to get this in for you guys, so let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.